Hello friends, I am Urvi Kamdar. Welcome to English Learning Studio.
Hello friends, I am Bajaj Tarandeep from ELS.
How are you ma'am today?
Fine, thank you.
So friends, today we are going to learn word order. That is, how do we arrange the words in a sentence and what are the order of these words that you can arrange them into.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start today.
So ma'am, can we order words?
Yes, to a certain extent we can order the words in a sentence.
Okay.
That's true, we can order them, but to a certain extent only. However, it may not be possible in all the cases. Like we'll have to understand the orders,
Okay.
and then we can decide where to place a certain word.
Fine.
Okay. So let's start now, shall we?
Yes ma'am.
Okay.
So ma'am, what is the ideal order?
Okay, so the most common possible sentence structure in English could be like this, that you start with a who, that is the subject.
Okay.
Okay, and then it's followed by what. It
Fine.
includes your verb and the object.
Okay.
Then the third order would be like you have to mention where.
Okay.
Where could be a place. Okay.
Fine.
Then it's followed by when. When means a particular time that you have done that activity. Then
Okay.
it's followed by how.
Okay.
How you are doing that activity. Or if you say, for example, you went somewhere, how did you go there?
Okay.
Okay.
Fine ma'am.
Then it's followed by why, your reason for doing that activity.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll give you an example, like my mother went with friend to market at 6 by car to purchase crockery.
Okay.
So here we are seeing that my mother becomes the subject.
Right.
Then went with friend. Here we are adding went. That is the
Verb.
verb.
Right.
Right. And we are adding the object also with her friend.
Right.
Right. To the market. Where did
That
she
is
go?
where
That
okay.
answers your question. Where? At 6.
6.
That is what?
When she went.
When did she go?
Okay.
And by car. That answers your.
How she went?
Okay. And to purchase crockery.
That is the reason why she went. That is why.
That is why, exactly.
Okay.
So this is how you can order your words in a sentence.
That seems very easy.
Looks very easy, but you'll have to practice a lot to do that.
Okay.
Okay. Now, I'll give you an example. Like we normally start with the subject who here,
Okay.
and then add verb and subject. For example, I'm just adding Rajiv. Does it make any sense to you?
Can you give one more example, whether like relating?
Relating. Okay. I'm saying I. Does it make sense? Rajiv,
No.
I'm just saying a subject. I'm not
Okay.
adding anything with that. No half, no why, no where, no when.
Okay.
Nothing. Does Rajiv and I make any sense to you?
Yes, madam. Like we can understand the subject.
But subject is
uh,
not doing what? There's no activity, no
Okay.
verb, no object, no nothing. So Rajiv does not make any sense.
Right.
But when we add what? That is the verb part and the object part. Like Rajiv met. Now this makes half a bit of sense. We are just adding a verb. We are not
Yeah,
adding
right.
an object. But Rajiv met Maya. That suffices if we are just saying Rajiv met Maya. That makes a lot of sense. Right?
Yeah.
Though it's just half who and what makes a complete sentence.
Right.
Right? But now we can here add many more things like
That
when.
means we can just use who and what and make a sentence.
Yes, you can do that.
Okay.
But if you have more idea of how the thing went on, if you have more reason for explaining your sentence, you can add all the other things also.
Okay.
So let's see here. We are adding where also again.
Okay.
That's the place. Rajiv met Maya in library. So Rajiv becomes who. Met
Correct.
Maya becomes verb and object. And
Correct.
in the library becomes
the place. That
the
is
place.
where.
So that answers your question of where.
Where.
Now we are adding when. So
Okay.
Rajiv met Maya in library in the morning.
Correct.
Okay. So Rajiv met Maya becomes your which part?
That is the verb, I suppose. That what.
Who and
Who
what.
and what. Yeah.
Right? And where answers in library.
In library.
And what is the answer for when?
In the morning.
Exactly. So
Okay.
this also makes even better sense. Rajiv
Right.
met Maya in the library. If you finish it here, that's okay. But
Yes.
now if we have a reason, why and how,
Okay.
okay. So Rajiv met Maya in library in the morning by chance.
Right. chance. Okay.
So it makes a complete sense. Like Rajiv met Maya in the library, he must have gone to, rent a book or anything, return a book or anything, and he met Maya by chance, accidentally.
Okay.
So here, your reason for meeting also, or how they met also, could be answered at the end of the sentence.
Correct, ma'am.
Okay. So this is what the word order should be.
Okay.
Okay. So is it clear to you, or shall I need to give you one more example?
If possible, then just one more example.
No problem. Anytime. Okay. So again, we'll see that we start a sentence with who.
Right,
Okay,
ma'am.
that is subject.
Okay.
For example, here we'll see that I'm taking I. Does it make any sense again? Just the I?
No, ma'am.
No, I'm just saying I. And I'm sitting
That
there.
doesn't make sense. Sense it doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make a sense at all.
Yeah.
I'm just saying I and I'm sitting doing nothing. I have
Yeah.
completed my sentence. Everyone would be looking at me.
Correct, ma'am.
Okay, so we have to add what?
Okay.
I watch. Now, adding just a verb doesn't make a sense at all. I watch. Now you'll be thinking yourself, I watch what?
That what you're watching.
Okay.
Correct.
So I watch TV.
Okay.
So that makes partial sense. Though it makes sense, you can complete your sentence here.
Okay.
Okay, but it makes partial sense.
Fine, ma'am.
If you just add watch, what or when, how, why, it will make your sentence much more better.
Correct.
Okay, so if we add where, I watch TV at home.
That makes sense.
That makes sense. I watch TV. Now if everybody is asking you, where do you watch TV? Okay, so you can say that I watch TV at home. Then we are adding when. Now for instance, you're doing some job, or you're doing going to school, college or anything. So you just get time in the evening. So you say that I watch TV at home in the evening.
In the evening.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we are adding how and why. At the end of the sentence, I watch TV at home in the evening with family. Right? That answers your how.
Right, ma'am.
Because we like common programs. You watch
Correct.
TV with your family in the evening because you like common programs. So that's how and why. So you can see that you can order sentences, but there's this ideal order that you have to follow if you want to make a particular sentence. For that is what will be the first part?
That is who,
Then followed by what?
then where,
Right?
then when,
Right.
how,
Right.
and the last is why.
Exactly. So this is the ideal order for forming a sentence.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So friends, here we end our today's session. For more information and more interactive sessions, please log on to www.englishlearningstudio.com, and there you'll get more resources to make yourself more comfortable with learning English, and an interactive faculty also. Thank you.